forgive the noise outside. There's nothing I can do. This is what I painted this morning and put on a short. And thanks to someone's comments about not making any more videos, I thought I'd make another one. If you got to be hating, join them. Let them know. Hey, you can follow me too. I don't really care. You did inspire me to start up another video though. The reason why it's not open yet, I have the strong urge to hold back the word dumbass, but it's here. It's because this abstract painting is on an 80-inch curtain, and I am doing this segments at a time. This is called work in progress. If you don't like it, well, I didn't ask you to comment. Now that that's out of the way, I'm hoping that's out of the way, maybe I can get back to being happy while I paint, you know. Whistle while you work. No, I don't whistle, so go take hateful comments somewhere else. I mean, I can take the hate, but you better be prepared for me when I dish it out, because that's what my channel's about. I will be vocal. I guess this is my reaction video to a comment. Oh, you have no idea how much this finger wants to stay stuck. Out in an upright position. See, haters fuel my fire to keep up my desire. Well, that was an accident. Let's see how it comes out. I'm filming purple, and I was going to start this video over because I can't really see. Alexa, turn on the living room lamp. Thank you. And what I do is enjoy happy little accidents, like Ross said a long time ago. Okay, well, it's not my equipment, so. Let the landscapers do what the landscapers gotta do. I've been working on this project for about 6 months, and not straight. I told my followers here and on TikTok that this would be a slow work in progress where I paint on camera and they can walk with me through it. If you're an artist, you're supposed to be here to inspire other artists to keep continuing the craft, because you don't know what started this artist into their desire to create in the first place. And in my case, my son, who loved to paint as well, when he was diagnosed with cancer, this is how I kind of got through it, crafting my way through it. I found that I loved painting. Mainly, my mom did, he did, my grandsons do. They have that strong desire to paint. My grandson, he's a really good artist right now. For 11 years old, he ain't bad. No, I don't sit down with an idea in mind. I just let the paint flow and pick out the color and I don't know, I gotta get through this. I gotta at least get this paint used. I'm using this in my car when I go car camping, so yeah, I like to glamp. So this is going to be something that's for me anyway. But I wanted to make a memory of me actually painting it. So this wasn't exactly supposed to be directed to the jackass who left a comment on my short, but I left it there. It'll stay there. I just wanted you to know it was seen. So I hearted it. That's all right. Haters gonna hate. I really don't give a shit. As far as my mom and Michael, they both lost their battles to cancer. And Michael was diagnosed in 2010. My mom, 2015. Michael was diagnosed in 2010 at the age of 19. Or 2016 was my mom. 2016 or 17. But my mom didn't die from the cancer she had gotten diagnosed with then, but probably a reaction after. Michael passed away in 2020. Painting is my therapy. Sharing it with others who may be grieving over some losses. This is inspirational because they can put their color to their mood and just dab it out, get the ugliness out. It's like you're fighting with yourself on canvas, honestly. honestly. I don't know. I went to his channel. I don't know why he's got so many views. Well, yeah, I do, because other artists are actually doing the artwork he's proposing on the stage. I noticed most of them were Mariah Carey videos, Ariana Grande videos. You know, I ain't got a profit off of anybody else's work. This is mine. I don't get viewers by sharing somebody else's crap. I don't like to steal other artists' artwork. So yeah, you got me to go over to your channel, but I didn't subscribe. I won't subscribe because while I do like the person's work, I don't have to get subscribers off of other people's work. Now, they used to have a saying for that. It was called copyright infringement. And this is called work in progress videos. I don't know, you know, because I didn't see any artwork. You claim to be an artist. I didn't see any artwork other than somebody else's individual artwork you're sharing on there, I guess, for views. Me, all of mine is my own little self. Hey, who was it that did that song? I'm all right with it. I mean, there be people all the time. Oh, the song is Riot. Let's start a riot. I needed the fuel. Trust me, I needed a reason. And my ex-husband found out that I don't have a problem posting beef. I don't have a problem telling the truth. And that's one thing I guess haters are gonna learn right here on this channel. Don't start none, won't be none. Because I will make you think about it. I don't know whether I want to pull the toothpick out and start doing that. I know I ain't looking for a whole bunch of comments to keep me painting and arguing, because I really don't paint for the argue. I paint for the release of the frustration. And since he was the cause of my frustration, we're going to put it right here. We're going to call this a roast. A roast. Yep. By the way, I am a cop's daughter, and I'm the ex-wife of a lawyer. I do know what my legalities are. Everybody seems to have forgotten about legalities these days. They don't look at the consequences of opening their mouth and saying something because they think they can hide behind the camera and be unseen. That's all right. That's all right. I don't hide behind my camera. I just like showing my artwork instead. My artwork. How about that? My artwork. Remember, I just went to your channel. I didn't see anything of your creation unless you call, going to a concert and taking video. I mean, I could claim that myself. And by the way, check out the band Hot Saucer. That's my son's group. They're pretty good. I really like the song Get Off. Go off, go off, go off. Oh my gosh, go off. Now, since you asked so politely to see the rest of this curtain, let me pause this video and open it up. This is going to be very wet. That's what I did this morning, and I've been painting it in sections. Just for your entertainment, here's a long video, and shout out to you, I guess. What is it? Novaris? Hold on. Here is the section I've been painting, which is part of the last little bit, and then I get to add detail. But this was the first part. This was the second. Let me get in there for you, since you're probably blind and can't see. This is not, it's all abstract. And I'll get in here and show you little bitty details. Like this is the planets, the stars. Okay, so here we go. We have a dragon and a fairy. I like mystical arts, as you can tell by the name of the channel. Mystical arts. I like dragonflies, and all these have spiritual meanings, but you'd have to go look them up, I'm sure. And by the way, this right here is a beach scene. See, I don't know, this is my beach scene, because this is where I'm actually adult from. This was my actual address, though, and you'd have to check that out. And this is when this event happened. But as you can tell, there are little seahorse dragons over here, and an angelfish with another little angelfish, and a mermaid with dolphins and dragons, and biblical things you probably wouldn't understand. You see this dragon's wing over here, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, this is actually a whale, and it's a peace sign right there, and this right here would look like a helicopter. This is actually the day I had one of my NDEs. I don't know if you would understand NDEs, but that was the day I was divorced. And let me see, you've got more angelfish in here, and that's actually a cross with a peace sign above it. From I don't think you're an inspirational person, so I don't know if you know anything about the Bible. I mean, if you look close, I mean, you can see everything, but you would just say it looks like trash, I'm sure. But that's all right. See, God prepared me with a mouth to handle people like you. And I will have no problem doing that. If it causes a reaction video that gets a negative reaction, well, I'll still have to pay for what I say in the end.